Cavu Corporation is a Singapore incorporated company. We are systems integrator and solution provider of hardware, software and networking total solutions for our customers. We are into various industries. We are into manufacturing, into financial services, as well as education type industries. So we do total solutions for most of the customers. And most of the time, when we look at solutions, we do not simply look at the hardware or the software or networking alone. We look at it from an integrated perspective. So we look at the various layers, we look at the application tiers, as well as the systemic qualities that we see. Things like availability, resilience, reliability, as well as security. Huawei has got a total suite of solutions. It's got hardware, it's got networking solutions, it's got cloud solutions. Its hardware is very reliable. It used to come from the telecommunication space, going into the enterprise space. So it's got a full spectrum of everything that almost any customer from any industry wants to look for. And that's something we look at. At Cavu Corp, we look at different kinds of solutions for customers, and we look at it from different perspectives. Besides simply just ensuring that the hardware runs and runs fast enough, we're looking for hardware that is resilient, that's reliable, that has got security in place. We're also looking for various platforms so that applications can be built according to the different tiers of the application infrastructure. And then, of course, the systemic qualities that we look for. We've evaluated the security, the availability, the resilience, the reliability of Huawei. And that's why we chose Huawei. And that's why we chose to go very deep in our relationship with Huawei as a partner. Huawei's product and solution is very complete. It's not simply just the hardware. It goes across various kinds of industries. It goes according to the various kinds of customer expectations as well. So from the spectrum of industries that Huawei plays in, from the telecommunications space, you're talking about microwaves. Even from the enterprise space, you're talking about various kinds of hardware from the low end all the way to the high end, where they can scale up and scale out the hardware. Then we look at the data storage space, where we build cloud solutions or business intelligence, and that's where the chunk of the data power is required and compute power is required. So from the full spectrum of what we see, Huawei has everything that we ever want to do, and Huawei has got all the solutions that the customers need. So we've been working very closely with Huawei. In fact, at Cavu Corp, we are also a customer of Huawei. We are using Huawei's IP PABX systems as well, and it's running fine. So again, the reliability, the completeness of solution, as well as the comprehensiveness of the solution is what we find very attractive with Huawei. Well, I see Huawei going forward in the next 5 years to be really very innovative. If you look at the past 5 years where Huawei came from, they were one of the leaders in the telecommunications space. Look at 5 years hence, we're seeing a lot of innovation coming up from Huawei. And look at 5 years from now and the roadmaps from what I've seen, it's fantastic. We're seeing more powerful servers coming up, we're seeing more scalable servers coming up. We're also seeing more innovation going into the hardware, as well as the software-defined type of solution, software-defined network, software-defined storage. We're seeing Huawei playing in this space, and we're seeing a lot of innovation coming up from Huawei, at least within the next 1 or 2 years. And I think within the next 5 years, we see Huawei going even further than that, where they're going to use software-defined everything to start to manage a whole variety and a whole spectrum of the hardware and solution that Huawei has. Thank you.